What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Hi sa mga kawan ko dari Indonesia, namasaya dyan dari Philippines, and salamat datang kay Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we receive a request to react to Nona for their dance video of their newest single, Honk. Yes, I love the dance move of this new song from Nona, and we just recently reacted to their official music video. I love it, the representation and the face card. So now let's see and break down the dance move of this newest single of Nona. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh, they're coming down from the bus. I love how they showcase Indonesia so much. Hey. Oh my god, love that jump. Hey. Whoa. Oh my god, I love their expression and how they do this dance music video. The steps is so good, and I love the beat of this song. Hey. Hey. Beep beep. Look at that, how graceful they dance. Wow, the way that they dance is so graceful, and also, you know, the combination of their moves is really, really good. Yes. Love that sultriness and sexiness. Whoa. Hey. Nona. Wow. Love that sultry move. Very sexy. Look at that facial expression. Aside from the moves. Hey. Hey, beep beep. Whoa, love that backflip or that flip or tumbling. It's so good. Whoa, and love the camera angle showcasing the whole bus. Hey, I love this part of the song because like you're gonna feel the vibe more, and the way that they're dancing it, like you're gonna persuade to dance as well to the music of Nona. Love it. Oh, who's that silver man over there? Hey. Whoa, that is so cute. Wow, I love this dance moves. When they're going back to the bus. There you have it, guys. That is Nona for their dance video of their newest single, Honk. I love the sultriness, the sexiness, and the vibe of the song, and the way that they dance. They're on point, the footstep, the footwork, and that body movement plus the facial expression is really, really good. What can you say about this dance video, guys? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.